Episode 1. What AI really is, and what it isn't. Series, AI, Power, Control, and the Illusion of Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is already embedded in everyday life. It decides which videos you see. It filters job applications. It recommends medical treatments. It predicts consumer behavior. It monitors online activity. And yet, despite its growing influence, artificial intelligence remains deeply misunderstood. The word AI is used constantly, but rarely explained carefully. Some people believe AI is thinking. Others believe it is learning the way humans do. Some even believe it is on the verge of becoming conscious. These beliefs are not fringe ideas. They appear in news headlines, marketing campaigns, and everyday conversations. But most of them are wrong. In this episode, we are going to remove the hype, ignore the science fiction, and slow everything down. We will answer one foundational question: what is artificial intelligence really, and what is it not? This understanding matters more than most people realize. Welcome to Uncovering Facts. The confusion surrounding artificial intelligence begins with a single word: intelligence. When humans talk about intelligence, we are usually referring to understanding. We mean the ability to reason, to reflect, to interpret meaning, and to act with intention. Human intelligence involves awareness. It involves context. It involves subjective experience. So when people hear the phrase artificial intelligence, they naturally assume it means a machine version of human thinking, a digital mind that understands the world. That assumption feels intuitive. But it is also incorrect. Artificial intelligence does not think. It does not understand. It does not know anything. It has no awareness of itself. No understanding of meaning. No grasp of truth. What it does have is something far more mechanical. At its core, artificial intelligence is a system designed to process data and identify patterns. That is the foundation. AI systems are built using mathematical models that analyze vast quantities of information and detect statistical relationships. They are trained on examples. Millions. Sometimes billions. From this data, the system learns which patterns are likely to repeat and which outcomes tend to follow certain inputs. This process is called learning, but the word is misleading. AI does not learn the way humans learn. When a human learns, understanding is involved. When an AI learns, it is adjusting numerical parameters to better fit past data. There is no comprehension happening behind the scenes. Only calculation. When an AI writes a paragraph, it is not expressing an idea. It is predicting the next word based on probabilities. Each word is chosen not because it is meaningful, but because it is statistically likely given the words that came before it. When an AI recognizes a face, it is not seeing a person. It is analyzing pixel patterns and matching them against stored examples. When an AI translates a language, it is not understanding either language. It is mapping patterns from one symbol system to another. Everything an AI produces is the result of probability, not understanding. This explains one of the most confusing features of AI. AI can sound confident, even authoritative, while being completely wrong. Confidence, in an AI system, does not indicate knowledge. It simply reflects statistical likelihood. AI has no internal sense of truth. It cannot tell the difference between fact and fiction. It cannot recognize its own mistakes. When an AI gives an incorrect answer, it does not know it is incorrect. And when it gives a correct answer, it does not know it is correct either. This limitation is not a flaw. It is a fundamental characteristic. So if AI does not understand anything, why does it feel intelligent? Why do people find it convincing? The answer lies in imitation. Human behavior follows patterns. Language follows patterns. Images follow patterns. Music follows patterns. Social interaction follows patterns. AI systems are trained on massive collections of human-generated data. By absorbing these patterns at scale, AI becomes extremely good at imitation. It reproduces the surface appearance of intelligence. And when imitation becomes convincing enough, the human brain fills in the gaps. We instinctively assume understanding where none exists. This is not the first time humans have done this. Throughout history, people have attributed intelligence to tools that behaved in complex ways. Mechanical clocks were once described as thinking machines. Early computers were described as electronic brains. Each time, the illusion faded once people understood how the system worked. AI is no different, except that its imitation is far more convincing. The danger is not that AI is intelligent. The danger is that people believe it is. When a system appears intelligent, people begin to trust it. They assume its decisions are neutral, objective, fair. But AI is none of those things by default. AI systems do not emerge naturally. They are designed by humans, built by organizations, trained on data collected from society. Every AI system reflects human choices. Choices about what data to include, what goals to optimize, what outcomes matter. There is no such thing as a neutral algorithm. To understand AI clearly, we must separate performance from understanding. A calculator can outperform any human at arithmetic. That does not make it intelligent. A navigation system can find routes faster than most people. That does not make it conscious. AI follows the same principle, but at a much larger scale. It performs tasks associated with intelligence without possessing intelligence itself. This distinction is subtle, but critical. Because once AI systems are placed in positions of authority, misunderstanding them becomes dangerous. When an algorithm denies a loan, people assume the decision was fair. When AI rejects a job applicant, it feels objective. When content is filtered or removed, it appears neutral. After all, the system decided, but systems do not decide in the human sense. They execute instructions. They optimize for objectives chosen by people, often corporations or governments with specific incentives. If we believe AI understands the world, we stop questioning its outputs. If we believe AI is intelligent, we accept its judgments. And if we believe AI is neutral, we allow it to quietly shape society without scrutiny. This is how power hides behind technology. Understanding what AI is not is just as important as understanding what it is. AI is not a mind. AI is not a moral agent. AI is not an independent authority. It does not have values. It reflects values. It does not make decisions. It executes optimization processes. It does not pursue goals. It is given goals. And this matters because AI is already embedded in systems that affect real lives. Economic systems, healthcare systems, education systems, government systems. When people misunderstand AI, they misunderstand accountability. They blame the technology instead of the institutions behind it. In the episodes that follow this one, we will examine what happens when pattern recognition machines are placed at the center of modern power structures. We will explore who controls AI, why it concentrates power, how it reshapes work, why it increases inequality, and how it quietly alters decision-making, surveillance, and truth itself. None of this requires AI to be intelligent. It only requires it to be widely deployed. The real question is not whether machines will become human. The real question is whether humans will surrender judgment to machines they do not understand. If this episode helped clarify what artificial intelligence really is, like this video so it can reach more people. Share it with someone who believes AI is basically thinking now. And subscribe to Uncovering Facts for clear, hype-free explanations about technology, power, and the systems shaping our future. In the next episode, we will explore why AI is not intelligent, but still powerful, and why that combination is far more important than science fiction scenarios about conscious machines. Understanding AI isn't about fear. It's about clarity. And clarity is power. This is Uncovering Facts.